Hi guys, today I'm explaining how to pick a perfect domain. In previous classes, I explained how to purchase domain hosting, like by using Bluehost or Hostinger or GoDaddy or bigger any type of hosting provider. Purchase a domain is common. Just selecting a domain, which is your the domain. Just select the domain and go and search. If it is available, then you can purchase. Yes, this is available. This domain is available. But selecting a domain is more important and more crucial for any website or any service because whenever we choose a unique perfect domain, then it will be good for long run. Take an example for google.com. Simple, simple and more unique and take Microsoft, simple and more unique Infosys, even more unique. So whenever we purchase domains, we need to select the unique and accurate domain names like this google.com, infosys.com, like this. We can see the types of domains what we can consider. First one is unique like Google. Second one is abbreviations because we need to take domain with the shorter only, not a long versions. Whenever we choose our domain with a maximum 1 to 15 letters, like x.com is only one letter. And like this, whenever we select our domains with 1 to 15 letters, it will be more easier to remember users. And in the long run, they can directly search with our domain name. Not it improves the massive traffic for our website. So second one is the abbreviations such as PVR, JSW, IBM, or GMR. So have to select this kind of domains. So what take suppose there's you can IBM.com, GMR. So these are the abbreviations. If you search the full version of IBM, against international business machines. So this is a very long domain name. So that's why they consider as just IBM, just abbreviations. So take an example, suppose IPL. IPL full form is the Indian Premier League, but simple not IPL, Indian Premier League, that's it. So selecting with a shorter abbreviations, even it works well more and it's more like a branding. And finally, if you don't get unique name or abbreviations, try with the animal names. So examples panda.in or dolphin.com. So like this, these are also good and more some unique and the pet names seems good. So have to follow these kind of structures when before selecting the purchase of domain. Whenever we purchase the shorter versions, it will be easy to remember for users, your customers or users also. In the long run, they can get a more direct visits. Even my domain also I take with my father's abbreviation. This is my domain. Even my domain takes with the my father's abbreviation name, and three is the my lucky number. Even you can take a domain with your one. You generally don't prefer numbers, but whenever you have to four like just to domain with the 3 to 5 letters or 6 letters, you can select a name also like gadgets 360. When this domain has a very unique gadgets 360. So like this, you can select one name, which is favorite number, like your date of birth or your lucky number, like this. When my date of birth ends with a 3 and my lucky number is also with 3. So that's why I can pick in my domain with the 3 also. So whenever you have to purchase domain, then go with the unique or abbreviation based or your favorite number based or your favorite place, like suppose everest.com. It is a more like Amazon. Amazon take the river name. So similar you can say you can take Everest, Everest no I think not available. I saw earlier. Or any river names like don't take again Red Sea, Black Sea, Hindu Ocean. Don't take this kind of domains. And I said animals don't take like pig.com or giraffe.com or giraffe.in. Don't go to take this kind of domain names, more unique and simple. And after there are mainly in domains also there are only three types. One is the .com is common when your business is a worldwide, or .in when business in India. After country base, like similarly as a country base, like if you focus on your business in US, then .us, or in Australia .au, or Canada.ca. So like this, these are the main patterns. Whenever you have to target audience or business in the worldwide, go for the .com extension. Or only in India, you go with the .in. Or this is common. Both are similar. Country based. If in India, .in. US.us. After there are other types like .net, .co.in, or EDU. Don't forget these are the educational websites, and .gov, which is a government websites. So no need to select these kind of other extensions. These two are enough because when worldwide or country based. In Bluehost, you can in on any types of hostingers like Bluehost, GoDaddy, Bigdoor, you can get a domain with one first is free. When you purchase a domain hosting both in one time, you can get a free domain with free domains for 1 year value. And today we can see the one unique try one unique domain like panda.com is already there. See dolphin is there. Dolphin.in. Let's see it's available or not. No, again. It's not showing .in. Okay, we can try the other types like hosting hosting dolphin. Yeah, these are a lot of see these are the domains where we unique and more popular. So that's why many of people already purchase this kind of domains. Let us try one more. Even you have any ideas, just comment and drop the comment like which is the more unique like Amazon.com, like IBM and IPL. The short version. So like this, we have any suggestions, ping a comment. I can try. Don't try to take like Red Sea. Let's see dot see let's see happen or not. But this is not good. Even this is also available. Like Amazon, mm, not Amazon, not ping any reverse comment any if you know any reverse names. I don't know. I forgot the reverse name right now. I remember Sindhu. Yeah, Sindhu. Okay, try Sindhu. Sindhu.com. I think it's more like name, not a Sindhu river type. It's because normal. Even this is not. This is also not available. Mm, Name one unique domain popular. Even you can say the NDTV.com simple 4 letters only. Simple. So that's why I'm saying that whenever you have to purchase domain hosting, always look for the simple versions, the short letters like 1, 2, 3, or up to 15 is a better. When if you take a domain with the less than 5 letters, even more beautiful. I don't get any domain names, the shorter version. Mm, I don't getting any unique names right now, but you can try with the short versions like how I said like Google, Wipro, Microsoft, Infosys, this kind of and others like PVR, even MRF, IPL, even RCB as a shorter version, RCB, IBM, this kind of or like Panda Digitals or Penguin or PGN. No, don't take these rough versions like Panda is okay, even Dolphin is okay. With going extreme like Sparrow, even Sparrow.com is good. This is Sparrow. Oh, this one spelling Sparrow. The spelling Sparrow. Let's see. This is available or not. Even this is also some unique cute seems like oh shit. Oh, even this is also not available. Think oops. All these kind of domains are very popular and more unique. So that's why already someone has been taken. So try this kind of like one is the unique, second is the abbreviations, third is the animal version names. And don't you have confused the .in, .com, and other type of extensions. Simply remember one thing for audience worldwide, go for .com. When you spend a specific country base, you can select country specific. Or even if you have doubts, ping me a comment or you can talk to the Bluehost customer support team. They will guide you or others customers also. But Bluehost is have a chance for live call. Others only have email or chat only. And that's it for today's class. In next class, I go to explain SEO. Already I make a video on SEO basics. I have to make this video because this is I don't make a video on this domains who do who's a accurate domain. So that's why I make this video. From the next week upcoming videos, I can explain that SEO continues. I'll keep the subscribe the button. You get more updates and more videos on digital marketing. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe.